Student. Welcome back for maths once again. So today we are going to solve the worksheet, maths worksheet. Okay. Now we have already done with time. Let us see. Draw both hands of the clock to show the given time. Two I will do. Two you will have to do it on your own. Okay. 9 o'clock. Now 9 o'clock means where will be the small hand? The R hand will be on 9. And the big hand will be on 12. Okay. The second one is 6:30. So 6:30 it will be the small hand will be between, it should be between 6 and 7, and the big hand will be on 6. It should be between 6 and 7. The small hand should be between 6 and 7, and the big hand will be on 6. Now 12 o'clock and 3:30 you will do it on your own. Fill in the blank. The dash hand of the clock takes 1 hour to go around the clock, the hour hand. There are dash hours in a day, 24 hours in a day. The hour hand takes dash hour to go from one number to the next number, takes 1 hour. Half an hour means 30 minutes. Okay. Observe the given clock and answer in one word. The time shown in the clock is 9:30. The time 3 hours earlier was, now 3 hours earlier. Okay. Now it is 9:30. So 3 hours earlier, what will be the time? We'll go backward, right? 9:30, before 9:30, 8:30, then 7:30, then 6:30. Before 6:30, that it will be 5:30. It will be 6:30, not 5:30. It will be 6:30. Okay. The time 2 hours later will be, that means after 9:30, 2 hours after 9:30 will be, we'll add 2. That is 9:30. Then 1 hour after that will be 10:30. Then 11:30. So what will be the hour? It will be 11:30. After 2 hours it will be 11:30. The clock will show 10 o'clock. Will show 10 o'clock after dash minutes, after 30 minutes. It will be after 30 minutes. It will be after 30 minutes. Now, question number 4. Write 2 ways to read the time in figures. Okay. First, it is what? First is it is 11:30 or half past 11. Okay. Wait. Is 11:30 or 11:30 or 11:30. Okay, same way you have to write for the second one. I am not going to write it. Now draw a clock and show the time for each of the following activities you have on a holiday. Now this activity you have to do it on your own, because what is your schedule, how do you get up, what do you do on a holiday, you have to draw the time accordingly. Okay, now one more art integrated activity you all have to do, children. That is, in this activity you all have to actually draw a clock, okay, using paper plates and ice cream sticks. Okay, so see, I have given those model clocks already made. You can see from this, or you can google, you will get the ideas how you have to do it. Accordingly you have to do, see, you can see the pictures, so beautiful clocks children have made using this paper plates, and even these are the clocks made from ice cream sticks. So whichever you choose for, make it properly and nicely and beautifully. You can, I know you all are artists and you can do it. Okay, so this is an activity which you all have to complete. Thank you, children.